Formulas are Excel's inbuilt calculators. They compute numerical output by performing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the numerical input. Every formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. When you enter an equal to sign, Excel knows that you are entering a formula that needs to be computed to produce a numerical value. Excel uses plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, / for division, and caret for exponents. To enter a formula, first select the cell where you want to enter it. Put an equal sign. Now you can start typing the formula. I want to add the sales numbers of each month to arrive at the total sales of Crunchy Bites. Equal to 54 plus 80 plus 48 plus 39 plus 15 plus 79 and press enter, and now Excel will compute the formula. So the total is 315. While you see 315 in the cell, you can see the original formula you entered in the formula bar. In case you want to make any changes, just use any technique we learned in order to edit data in a cell. While Excel gave you the total, there is a problem with this method of putting formulas. If I change a number in the table, for example, January sales are 60, the total number does not change. This is the problem with hard coding numbers into formulas. To make formulas dynamic, we need to use cell references. Let's re-enter the same formula using cell references. Equal to C7 plus D7 plus E7 plus F7 plus G7 plus H7. You can see that each of the cell reference gets highlighted in different colors that match with the color of the cell reference in the formula to make it visually easier to spot the cells being referred to. And now press enter. Excel has computed the result of the formula. You might note that the color coding has disappeared once you press enter. You can see them again by clicking within the cell or in the formula bar. Now, if I change January sales to 60, Excel will automatically recalculate the total to make it 321. Let's do this once again, this time for Pista Fiesta in row 8. As always, I'll start the formula with an equal sign. Now, instead of typing the cell reference, I can use the mouse to point and click on the respective cells. Equal to C8 plus D8 plus E8 plus F8 plus G8 plus H8 and press enter. You don't have to type the formula again and again to compute the other totals. You can just copy the formula, I'm using Ctrl C here, and paste it into the respective cells using Ctrl V, or else use the fill handle by hovering over the bottom right corner of the cell, then click and drag. Let's now see how to multiply in Excel. Let us find out the total cost of each product from the number of units sold and the cost per unit. Equal to number of units multiplied by, we should use the asterisk for multiplication here, $cost per unit, and hit enter. Let me use the fill handle to copy the formulas down. Now, moving on to the subtraction using the minus sign. Equal to total of sales minus total cost, and enter. Copying the formulas using fill handle. Let's calculate the profit per unit using division. Equal to total profits / for dividing and number of units. Enter. Fill handle to copy formulas.